Hello and welcome to Cashflow Insider, your go-to channel for all things related to passive income. In this video, we will discuss 5 easy ways to generate passive income in 2023. If you are looking for ways to earn money without actively working, then you have come to the right place. So, let's dive into the top 5 ways to generate passive income in 2023. Number 1. List your property on vacation rental platforms. Listing your property on vacation rental platforms like Airbnb, HomeAway, and VRBO can help you earn passive income from your rental property. These platforms provide a convenient way for travelers to search for holiday rentals and offer flexible booking options. Number 2. Create and sell digital products. If you have a talent for creating digital products such as ebooks, courses, or software, you can sell these products online and earn passive income. Once you have created the product, you can sell it indefinitely without having to put in any additional work. Number 3. Start a blog. Starting a blog can be a great way to earn passive income. By creating high-quality content and building a loyal audience, you can monetize your blog through advertising, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. Number 4. Sell stock photos and videos. If you are a talented photographer or videographer, you can earn passive income by selling your photos and videos online. There are many websites that allow you to upload and sell your photos and videos to businesses and individuals in need of high-quality images. For example, Shutterstock, Getty Images, Adobe Stock, Alamy. Number 5. Create a YouTube channel. Creating a YouTube channel can be a great way to earn passive income. By creating high-quality videos and building a loyal audience, you can monetize your channel through advertising and sponsored content. In conclusion, earning passive income requires time and effort. But with patience and perseverance, you can build a steady stream of income that will help you achieve your financial goals. We hope you found these easy ways to generate passive income in 2023 helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.